pancake. I'm excited for it. Literally, my dad's been begging for me to make this cake. He literally loves it. Alrighty, first I have to wash my hands though, because you always have to do that. Bubbles. Ready, I'm gonna start off preheating the oven like I always do. And I'm actually not gonna be making this. I'm gonna be doing like a freestyle and making my own. So I just decided to get this like dough or cake mix. So now I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna go to bake. 350 degrees and make the cake mix. Okay, we're gonna open it up. Here's the cake mix. Now I'm gonna keep that there so I can like look off it for the recipe. I'm just gonna put it. Alrighty, we're gonna cut it open. Alrighty. I love making these desserts because I literally get to eat it right after it's done. So first, I need 1 cup of water. Ready, that's enough. Right. Now I'm gonna get the vegetable oil. Right here, we're gonna be careful. Alrighty. There we go. Perfect. I need 3 eggs. Also, when I'm done putting the eggs in, I'm gonna put pineapple chunks in it because I'm gonna put pineapple chunks in here and then also sprinkle some on top of it. Okay, we're gonna crack it a little bit more. There we go. There we go. I gotta hurry up before any eggshells get in. Eggshell on my finger, and now it's on the egg. Get it off so it doesn't get inside of my cake mix. Well, that one cracked really well. Something funny just happened. So I spilled the egg on the counter and it dripped down the washing machine, or the dishwashing machine, and it went on the floor. My dog tried to lick it and he got in trouble. My mom said, "Go home, Rocky!" Now I'm gonna add the pineapple chunks in. We drained the syrup from it, so there's not like all that juice. There we go. Oh, there's one more. There we go. Now I'm gonna take my whisk. We're gonna whisk it all up. It's turning yellow. Looks like the pineapple. I'm literally so excited to make this because I literally cannot wait to eat it. And it's not even close to being done. And I'm already thinking about eating it. It's ready to be poured in the pan. Now I'm gonna put some pan canola oil on it. Just the edges. Alrighty, that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna pour the batter. I should probably hold it with this hand. Okay. Look at all those pineapple chunks. Also, after I finish this, I'm gonna put like pineapple chunks on top of it. Alrighty guys, this is what it looks like right now. You can see the pineapple chunks in it, but I'm gonna make this extreme pineapple because I'm obsessed with pineapple. So we're gonna put some pineapple chunks on top. Here's more pineapple, which I'm just gonna lay on there. Okay, we're just gonna grab a couple and we're just gonna like spread them out. You can hear it plopping in the batter. This is so extra right now. It's a lot of pineapple. There you go. I'm gonna put another one up there. Right there, right there, right there. Back here. And like another one right there. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Right here, right there, right there. And right there. And right here. Okay, done. I'm gonna set the timer for 15 minutes. Cake is done, and now I'm gonna pick it with this pokey stick. It's called a toothpick, yeah. Ooh, nothing on it. You can see a pineapple chunk right there. Now I have to let it cool because I want to eat it. So yeah, it's all cooled down, and the pineapples ended up like sinking to the bottom of it, so they're not on top anymore. If you really want to make it like sweet, you could put whipped cream on top, but I'm not gonna do that because it's already like kind of sweet. So now it's time to try it. Looks so good. While it's been like cooling down, I was literally just staring at it the whole time. Oh wow, that is good. See if we can get a piece with pineapple in it. A little bit hot, but it's really good. I would say it's a good job to Chef Mel Mel for making it, which is me. This is really good, like literally delicious. So that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna go enjoy this cake now. Bye.